Hello and welcome. In the last lecture, we have learned writing times tables up to 19 in no time. Here we are going to extend the same technique for writing tables up to 100 and then up to 1000. Let me explain you again that if the number is 57, then 7 is one's place digit and its place value is 7. 5 is tens place digit and its place value is 50. Suppose we want 23 times 5. The technique is same. Instead of going from right side to left side, we will multiply 5 first from the right side. So we will multiply 5 by 2. Now the place value of 2 is 20. So 5 is not multiplying by 2. 5 is multiplying to 20. 5 times 20 is 100. We will keep this 100 in brain for some time. Now 5 times 3 is 15. So already 100 is in the brain plus 15. The answer becomes 115. So 23 times 5 is 115. Similarly, consider 27 times 8. First of all, we will multiply this 8 by 2. Now, the place value of 2 is 20. So, 8 times 20 is 160. So, we will keep this 160 in brain for some time. And 8 times 7 is 56. We will add this 56 to 160. For making the calculation more simpler, we will split this 56 to 40 plus 16 in our brain. So this becomes 200 plus 16, that is 216. So 27 times 8 is 216. Now consider 34 times 9. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, but this is not 3, this is 30. The place value of 3 is 30. So 9 multiplied by 30 is 270. We will keep this 270 in brain for some time. And 9 times 4 is 36. So we will add this 36 to 270. Now 270 plus 36 is 306. We can split this 36 to 30 plus 6. 270 plus 30, that is 300 plus 6. So this is how we will write the answer faster. Now consider 49 times 4. Now we have to multiply 4 by 4, but the place value of this 4 is 40. So 4 multiplied by 40 is 160. We will keep this 160 in brain, plus 4 times 9 is 36. So 160 plus 36 is 196. So this is how we can make it faster. Consider 55 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30, but this is not 5, this is 50. So 6 multiplied by 50 is 300. We will keep this 300 in brain, plus 6 times 5 is 30. So 300 plus 30 is 330. So the answer for 55 times 6 is 330. 63 times 7. Consider 63 times 7. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, but this is not 6, this is 60. So 7 times 60 is 420, plus 7 times 3 is 21. So this becomes 441. Consider 78 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42, but the place value of 7 is 70. So 6 times 70 is 420. This we will keep it in brain. And 6 times 8 is 48. 420 plus 48. We can split this 48 to 40 plus 8. So 420 plus 40 is 460 plus 8 is 468. Similarly, consider 83 times 9. Now 9 multiplied by 8 is 72, but this is not 8, this is 80. So 9 multiplied by 80 is 720. Plus 9 times 3, that is 27. So 720 plus 27 is 747. So using this technique, we can write the tables up to 100 very easily in no time. Consider a few more examples. 94 times 6. Now 6 times 9 is 54, but this is 90. So 6 times 90 is 540. This we will keep it in brain. 6 times 4 is 24. So 540 plus 24 is 564. And now consider 97 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45, but this is 90, so 450. Plus 5 times 7 is 35, so 485. This is the answer. So now difficult tables are become easy for us. Only we need practice. 78 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56, but this is 70, so 560. But 8 times 8 is 64. Now we can split this 64 to 40 plus 24. That is all in our brain. So this becomes 600 plus 24 or 624. This is the answer. And now 99 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81, but this is 90. So 9 times 90 is 810. Plus 9 times 9 is again 81. Now this becomes 891. So it is very easy to write tables up to 100. But you need practice first, and you should be little faster in addition of numbers in brain. And now let me extend the same technique to write tables up to 1000. Let us suppose that we want 315 times 2. Then for 315, this is 1's place digit and its place value is 5. This is 10's place digit, its place value is 10. And this is 100 place digit and its place value is 300. So again we have to keep this concept in mind. And now here 2 multiplied to 3, but this is not 3, this is 300. 2 multiplied to 300 is 600. We will keep this 600 in our brain. Then 2 multiplied to 1, but this is not 1, this is 10. The place value of 1 is 10. So 2 multiplied to 10 is 20. And again we will multiply 2 by 5, this gives us 10. So 600 plus 20 is 620, plus 10 is 630. So this is how we can extend the technique of writing tables above 100 using the concept of place value of numbers. Let us suppose that we want to find 225 times 7. Now 7 multiplied to 200 is 1400. And 7 multiplied to 20 is 140, plus 7 multiplied to 5 is 35. Now 1400 plus 140 is 1540. For adding these, we can split this 140 to 100 plus 40 in our brain. So 1400 plus 100 is 1500, 1540 and plus 35. 1540 plus 35 is 1575. Let's take one more example. 419 times 9. 9 multiplied to 4 is 36, but the place value of 4 is 400. So 9 times 400 is 3600. And 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 9 is 81. This is 3690 plus 81. We can split this 81 to 10 plus 71. So this is 3700 plus 71. That is 3771. This is the answer. And now we can extend this technique to write multiplication tables of any digit numbers. The technique is same, but you have to practice a lot and you should be very fast in addition of numbers in brain. This technique of writing tables will improve your mental multiplications. So practice, practice and practice. So in this way we can extend this beautiful technique to more digit numbers also. But I request you to solve all the problems covered here once more time to confirm you understand the technique thoroughly and you can handle any multiplication table required.